Picture this. You're 8 hours into a coding session, your eyes are burning, and you're squinting at blurry text that's making you question your career choices. Sound familiar? Here's the thing. Most programmers are using monitors that are literally working against them. After spending weeks testing displays, analyzing pixel densities, and diving deep into eye care technologies, I found some surprising results. You might be shocked which big-name gaming monitor actually made our list, and which premium brand completely missed the mark for coding. I put these through real-world programming tests, measured text clarity, and even tracked eye strain over extended sessions. Before we dive in, I've included updated prices and full specs for all the models in the description below. Check them out if you want the best current deals. Coming in at number 5 is the Samsung Odyssey G9. Who's this best for? Programmers who want to replace a dual monitor setup with one massive curved display. Now, I'll be honest, putting a gaming monitor on a programming list raised some eyebrows, but hear me out. The Samsung Odyssey G9 is essentially two 27-inch 1440p monitors fused together without bezels. We're talking about a 49-inch 32:9 super ultra-wide that gives you an absolutely massive digital canvas. Key specs: 5120 by 1440p resolution, QLED panel with 95% DCI-P3 color coverage, and that signature deep curve that makes you feel like you're inside a cockpit. The good news? This thing is a multitasking beast. You can have your IDE, terminal, documentation, and browser all open simultaneously without feeling cramped. The curve actually helps. You're not constantly turning your head to see different sections of your code. The reality check? It's enormous. Like, measure your desk, twice enormous. And while the resolution is sharp, it's not the pixel density champions we'll see higher on this list. Plus, if you're used to portrait mode for reading long code files, you're out of luck with this setup. Why it's number 5? It's a niche solution that works brilliantly for specific workflows, but the size and cost make it impractical for most programmers. At number 4, the ASUS ProArt PA348CGV. Who's this best for? Budget-conscious programmers who want ultra-wide productivity without breaking the bank. This is where things get interesting. The ASUS ProArt proves you don't need to spend $2,000 to get a solid ultra-wide experience. It's the sweet spot between price and performance that most programmers are actually looking for. Key specs: 34-inch ultra-wide QHD, that's 3440 by 1440p. IPS panel, 98% DCI-P3 color accuracy, and here's the kicker: 120 Hz refresh rate. What impressed me? The color accuracy is genuinely professional grade. If you're doing any front-end development or working with visual elements, this monitor won't let you down. The 120 Hz refresh rate makes scrolling through long code files noticeably smoother. It's one of those you don't know what you're missing until you try it features. The trade-offs? The resolution isn't as sharp as the 4K monitors we'll see later. Text is clear, but not mind-blowingly crisp. The HDR 400 is pretty basic too. More of a checkbox feature than a game changer. Why it's number 4? It's a solid, affordable ultra-wide that gets the job done, but it doesn't have the specialized programming features or premium build quality of our top picks. Number 3, the LG UltraWide 40W-P95C. Who's this for? Programmers who want maximum horizontal screen real estate with premium build quality. Now we're getting into serious territory. The LG UltraWide is what happens when you take the ultra-wide concept and dial everything up to 11. This is a 40-inch curved beast with 5K to 2K resolution that makes you feel like you're commanding a spaceship. Key specs: 40-inch 5K to 2K, that's 5120 by 2160p, 21:9 aspect ratio, nano IPS technology, and Thunderbolt 4 with 96 watts of power delivery. What makes it special? The sheer amount of screen real estate is intoxicating. You can have multiple IDEs open, each with their own terminal, plus documentation, and still have room to breathe. The Thunderbolt 4 connectivity means laptop users can get video, data, and power through a single cable. It's the kind of clean setup that makes you smile every morning. The concerns? Some users reported dimming and image retention issues after a few months. For a $1,500 monitor, reliability concerns are a red flag. It's also a productivity-focused display. So don't expect gaming-grade features. Why it's number 3? When it works, it's fantastic. But the reliability reports and the fact that it's not specifically designed for programming kept it from ranking higher. Number 2, the Dell UltraSharp U3224KB. Who's this best for? professional programmers who want the absolute best text clarity and don't mind paying for it. The Dell UltraSharp is the kind of monitor that makes you question everything you thought you knew about display quality. We're talking about 6K resolution on a 32-inch screen. That's pixel density that makes text look like it's printed on paper. Key specs: 32-inch 6K. That's 6144 by 3456p. IPS black technology, 99% DCI P3 color coverage, and a built-in Thunderbolt 4 hub with KVM switching. Why it's incredible? The text clarity is honestly mind-blowing. After using this monitor, going back to 1440p feels like putting on someone else's glasses. The IPS black technology gives you deeper blacks than traditional IPS, and the built-in KVM lets you seamlessly switch between work and personal computers. The reality check? It's expensive, like really expensive. Some users reported issues with the built-in webcam and speakers, which feels frustrating at this price point. You also need a pretty powerful graphics card to drive 6K resolution smoothly. But why it's number 2? It's technically superior in almost every way, but the price puts it out of reach for most programmers. Plus, our number 1 pick offers something even more valuable for long-term coding health. And our winner, coming in first place, is the BenQ RD320U. Who's this best for? Any programmer who spends long hours coding and wants to protect their eyes while maintaining excellent text clarity. It might surprise you that the BenQ 4K monitor isn't the highest resolution on our list, and it's not the biggest, but it's the first monitor actually designed from the ground up for programmers. And that focus makes all the difference. Key specs: 31.5-inch 4K Ultra HD. That's 3840 by 2160p. 16:9 aspect ratio, proprietary nano matte panel, and a comprehensive suite of eye care technologies. What makes it special? BenQ created dedicated coding modes that optimize contrast, brightness, and gamma specifically for reading text in both dark and light IDE themes. It's like having a monitor that understands what you're trying to do. The nano matte panel eliminates glare without making colors look washed out. It's genuinely paper-like. The eye care revolution is where the BenQ 4K monitor really shines. The night hours protection automatically optimizes the display for late-night coding sessions. The moon halo backlight creates gentle bias lighting to reduce eye strain. The eye reminder function actually prompts you to take breaks. It's like having a health coach built into your monitor. Real-world benefits? After weeks of testing, the difference in eye comfort is dramatic. The 4K resolution provides excellent text clarity. The coding modes make syntax highlighting more distinct, and the comprehensive eye care features actually reduce fatigue during long sessions. Why it's number 1? It's the only monitor that treats programming as a specialized use case, requiring specialized solutions. The price is reasonable, the features are practical, and the long-term health benefits make it a smart investment in your career. This monitor wins because it's built for programmers, by people who understand what we actually need: clear text, comfortable viewing, and features that support long coding sessions. It's not the most expensive or the largest, but it's the most thoughtful. Remember to check those links in the description for current deals. Prices change fast in the monitor world. If this helped you choose your next coding setup, hit like and let me know in the comments which one you're going for. Your eyes will thank you later.